Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today because I will be going out after such a long time. After lockdown I have not been out. So I'm super I'm really excited. And so I'll be meeting my school friend, and also I'll be taking my mom with me. Her mom is also coming, like it's a outing. And I'll be actually going for my birthday dress shopping. So the mission is to find my birthday dress. However, I'm just keeping an open mind. Like if I'm unable to find the type of dress that I want for myself on my birthday, maybe I'll be ordering it online. So I'll just keep you updated. And before leaving my house, I'll just like to tell you, well, at first sorry guys. So at first we'll be going to Carrot Lane. Now my mom wants to give me something, so however I won't be filming any video over there, but just wanted to let you know that Carrot Lane is also offering a lot of discounts. So on your first purchase you'll be getting 7% off, and also if you buy within 15 July you will get an additional 5% off if you do the shopping with HDFC credit or debit cards. I actually a fan of discounts. I love discounts. So I just thought, letting you know, like who, just a piece of information, that's it. And also if you do like my videos, then please, strike that thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, because I'll be sharing a lot of vlogs, and my birthday is coming, so I'll be uploading my birthday vlogs, and also I'll be sharing like I'll be going on a birthday shopping haul also. So do subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be talking a lot on law of attraction as the time passes. So that's it. So without any delay, come on, let's go.
Okay, so we are going to Armenia, and I'm doing a voiceover here. These are our moms actually, and she is my friend saying hello to everyone. Okay, well, I'm doing a voiceover as I said, since my mic betrayed me at the last moment. So this is what we ordered. This is cheese kebab. Guys, I love cheese kebab. I love Mughlai khana. What to say? And they said that the plates are sanitized and everything. So COVID-19 protocols are being maintained. And here is me enjoying the cheese kebab, as you can see. Well, I'm here taking a really, really big bite. So don't mind. So if you come to Armenia, do try this out. It won't let you down. Come on. It's Armenia after all. Okay. So do you love Armenia biryani or Arsalan biryani? You can let me know in the comments down below. And of course we ordered, Armenia में गए और बिरयानी नहीं खाई, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So we ordered this double mutton biryani. And Armenia में एक ऑफर चल रहा है अभी शायद लॉकडाउन के बीच. This is Firni of course. That शेफ स्पेशल. तो शेफ स्पेशल में हर एक खाना बहुत कम पैसे में मिलता है. Okay. And now here I'm trying to find the birthday dress. So we went to Diamond Plaza Mall, and this is Pantaloons. So I'm trying this out, this beautiful pink color kurti. Well, I love the color, but it did not fit me well. पता नहीं मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगा, and इस पे मीन्स इसलिए क्योंकि मैं बर्थडे ड्रेस के लिए आई थी. And this is पता नहीं, I did not like it much. And anyways, यहाँ पे 40% ऑफ चल रहा है. So if you are just casually shopping, then it's the best time. Now I'm trying out this beautiful baby pink color dress. Now this is again of not the right feet, so मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. Somehow it did not, it wasn't flattering for me. So I just skipped this as well. And this one is from Ant. इसके ऊपर भी 40% ऑफ चल रहा है. And now I tried this out. This is, I loved the fit, means I did not love it, but yeah, it was better than the previous two. However, on my birthday I do not see myself wearing this kind of dress. However, it is good for, I think, outing, if you're going out with your friends and all. But my mind was set on a particular birthday dress, particular kind. So नहीं जाने दिया मैंने इसे. And this one is again from Ant. इसके ऊपर भी 40% off था. I loved the color. I really love this color and this pastel shades basically. मुझे हल्का color बहुत पसंद है. But this again was not flattering enough, and as you can see वो ऐसे नीचे का part कैसे ज़मीन पे घिसक रहा है.
So of course, and I'm not a fan of long sleeves as well, क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी होती है मुझे, तो मैंने ये नहीं खरीदा। तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे कुछ खास नहीं मिल रहा था पैंटलून्स में। So then again I tried another outfit, but this is again a kurti. Of course the material is good, everything is good, बट सिंस मैं ऐसे सोच के गई थी घर से कि नहीं मुझे बर्थडे ड्रेस ही ख़रीदना है, तो मैंने इसे भी जाने दिया, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा बर्थडे ड्रेस के हिसाब से। बट हाउएवर इट्स अ गुड टाइम इफ़ यू वांट अ गुड डिस्काउंट ऑन दिस काइंड ऑफ ड्रेसेस। सो 40% ऑफ अगेन ऑन दिस। तो इसके बाद तो मैंने हाल छोड़ दिया था कि पता नहीं मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा। सो मैंने इसे भी जाने दिया, एंड आई थॉट ऑफ बाइंग इट फ्रॉम समवेयर एल्स, वो बाद में देखा जाएगा। एंड दिस आर सम ऑफ द ज्वेलरी एंड ड्रेसेस ट्राई करने के बाद वी नीडेड टू हैव समथिंग, सो वी वेंट टू coffee world, as you can see, and we ordered this 2 cold coffee for us and 2 hot latte for our mothers, and we also ended up getting a chocolate muffin which wasn't good and I won't recommend this. So that's it. हे आई एम रियली सॉरी कि मैं वहाँ पे एकदम ओरिजिनल शूट नहीं कर पाई, क्योंकि मेरा माइक काम नहीं कर रहा था फॉर सम रीज़न, तो इसलिए मैं वापस घर आके ये वीडियो एंड कर रही हूँ। सो वी गॉट होम राइट नाउ, अभी कुछ देर पहले। सो दैट्स इट गाइज, एंड वेल सी यू ऑन माई नेक्स्ट व्लॉग वेयर आई बी एक्चुअली शोइंग यू I will be doing a birthday haul, a birthday dress haul, not birthday dress, maybe pre-birthday shopping haul, you can say. So I'll be doing that, and I'll be sharing you with whatever I got and all the prices and what bargains did I get, since I told you I really love a good bargain. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and till then, bye bye.